The SwiveLock Tenodesis system enables all arthroscopic biceps tenodesis without externalizing or whip-stitching the tendon. While viewing intra-articularly, place a tag stitch through the biceps tendon and resect the tendon at its insertion. Move to the subacromial space and insert a 10 mm passport cannula in line with the intended anchor insertion site. A sizer may be used to help select the desired implant. Create a bone socket in one step using a piloted headed reamer. Use the forked eyelet to steer the tendon into the bone socket and fixate with the screw. Leave the screw's rounded head slightly proud. If additional control of the tendon is desired, a fiber wire can be passed around the tendon and loaded through the holes in the forked tip. Trim the excess tendon, completing the knotless repair.